I hope you are well. How it's going on? Yeah, I was working on your assignment, linking QuickBooks Time with Google Calendar, and I found a solution. It's pretty simple. It's actually built-in solution in QuickBooks Time. I hope you can see my screen. You can, after logging into my helper, you have to go to Time and then go to Quick Classic QuickBooks Time. Once it's open, okay. You can see it's open. Yeah, my last window was schedule schedule, and you see it's open here. But maybe your last window is not scheduled, so it will not automatically open on your dashboard. So I recommend click on the schedule or schedule right from here, and once it's open on your dashboard, simply go to this action button. Click on the action button, and you see subscribe to calendar. Click on it and copy this link. You see calendar subscription URL, copy this link and close it. That's done from the QuickBooks Time. And now you have to go. You see, I have already subscribed to QuickBooks Time. You see, multiple shifts are here, so it's easy. On the left side, you see other calendars. There is a plus sign, so you can click on the plus sign, and yeah, there are multiple options. Subscribe to calendar, create new calendar, browse calendar of interest, and from URL. You have to select from URL and paste the URL you are already copied from QuickBooks Time, make it publicly accessible, add to calendar, boom, you are done. Thank you.